So I got me a new straw hat to wear on my tractor and we'll try it out. I might not like it, I don't know. I've been looking for one for a long time, and when we went down to out of town 3 or 4 weeks ago, I was seeing it on Facebook Marketplace, so I went and got it. Cost me $8. Uh, so I found a couple of them I liked at the sporting goods place, but they was $25. I don't want to spend that much. Get knocked off and run over with a bush hog, so. And they won't spend $8. This is a $3 hat, and I thought it was made in China. It's actually made in Mexico. So it says one size fits all. The one I was wanting was had red around it. Didn't have nothing here, and but didn't fit my big old watermelon head. So I ended up finding another one that had. I thought it said guacamole on it. It's blue. I really liked it. Said guacamole on it, and I showed it to Allison. She said, no, that's Guatemala. I said, you can't get that hat. So I didn't get it, and then I found another blue one. Hold on, here comes a dadgum jet. And I found another blue one, and but it didn't fit my head. And then I found one that had some with horses, because I'm not a big horse guy. And I seen this one with the fighting chickens on it. So I got it. Kind of reminds me of me and Allison. So you know, we're like fighting chickens. And but anyway, at least I don't go to Coldplay concerts, right? All right, enough chit chat. Down here at the garden, I got TYM warmed up. Got my bush hog on it. We're gonna start cleaning up some of this mess down here. Most of the garden is spent, and you can see I'm gonna mow through here the part that's already gone. This is actually our first planting of squash, and I do see a squash here. I'm gonna get it before I start mowing. But I got this. I got some cucumbers I'm gonna mow. Out there on the other end, got a couple of places I'm gonna mow. Just gotta be careful because there's some okra in there. Finally started doing pretty good, and we got some eggplant. That's the only thing I gotta watch out for. So if I run over that, I'm gonna be in big trouble. And today's Tuesday, so I gotta get this done because we're going Taco Tuesday for lunch. And I gotta get this part done. I've already been given orders, and that's the fighting chicken part I was talking about. And I gotta go mow a different part, and we'll get over there. I'll show you that. So. All right, I'm gonna get TYM fired up and at least get this row done. Oh yeah, I got beans down there. I gotta be careful. I got 2 half rows of beans. When it got so hot, they dropped all their flowers, but looks like they might be coming back. So I'm just gonna leave it in for a little while and see if they bud back out and see what happens. So our third planting of zucchini, beans, squash, cucumbers, toast. When that little hot spell we got. So anyway, you know, we don't have irrigation down here. We're talking about a couple of plans, and if they come to fruition, we'll talk about that. I don't know. All right, so I'm gonna get this thing warmed. I got it warmed up. I'm gonna get it fired up, and we'll start mowing. yeah, I got her done this part anyway. We're gonna go do the next part, and I'll talk about that when I get over there. But you can kind of see our new stuff coming up. This is a whole row of squash. We got half a row of beans, half a row of zucchini, another half a row of beans, and we got a whole row or a half a row of cucumbers. And they're actually doing pretty good. We got a little rain. Yesterday it rained all day about, or Sunday it rained all day about. It's pretty wet down here yesterday is why it didn't do it. And Saturday it got a good rain, so I have not fertilized this yet. I'll probably fertilize it tomorrow, and hopefully it'll come on probably about 30 days. We'll have some more good squash and zucchini and some cucumbers. I want to do some pickles for ourselves, and sold all my pickles. It dried up and all these didn't produce, or my third plant didn't produce. So anyway, I got my fourth planting. I might plant a few more. Might do finish that whole row out where I just mowed. It's like I mowed over a couple good squash. I need to pick that up for the boss season. All right, let's go over to the next part of the equation, and I'll explain when we get over there. So I'm over here at the sweet corn patch, and it's kind of screwed it up. Of course, almost had a sunstroke, and we didn't get down here to pick it. And I come back after I started kind of feeling better. I was probably laid up for 2 or 3 weeks, and come down here to pick or see if there's any left, or see if it's still good. There's nothing in there. So it's a combination of I think deer and the raccoons. And when we first came down here, now we don't know much about deer, because this is the first year we really had a deer problem. We thought somebody had come down here and picked it, stole it. So kind of doing a little bit of research, I think the deer will pick it off and eat it. So this, I mean, they've come through here and picked every ear that's off and ate it. You can see the raccoons, they'll pull it down and kind of shred the end of it. Which in the middle, they kind of did that. And when I was sick, I was kind of watching it, because I can see it from the house, the tops. And I'd look down here every morning, I thought, well, ain't been no raccoon damage. Because you can see them, you know, if there's raccoons, they pull it all down. But deer's been in here and ate every bit of it. I don't know why they won't come over to me. There's like a 50-acre field right over here full of corn. And we'll come over and get our little old patch. But anyway, so all that being said, I'll mow it down, let it sit for a little while, and we're going to till it up and grow some greens here. Probably, I'm filming this on Tuesday. Hopefully we'll plant on Saturday. So we're going to plant some collards, some turnips, and something else. I can't remember what we got. So anyway, I'm going to get this mowed down and get it looking nice. And kind of sad, I mean, but you know, what do you do? Gotta protect your health. I was thinking over there, it's always the saddest part of the season when I mow the garden down like that. But you know, got more coming on, so I'm not that sad. And behind us is pumpkins. I'll give you a quick view of that. They seem to be doing pretty good. We fertilized them the other day. I fertilized them a little too heavy because it killed some of them, but ones that survive is gonna be good. All right, so I'm gonna get to mowing this and see what it looks like. And if I see some, I'm gonna kind of mow it one row at a time. If I see some corn in there, we'll stop big. All right. I did not find not one ear of corn, and you can look on the ground here, there's nothing. It's like they went up down the rows, just like they was picking it to sell, you know, up and down the rows. And ain't every bit of it. There's not one thing of corn on this whole ground. So, kind of disappointing. I think we are going to try to plant some. I got about 100 seeds left. It's a 70-day corn, so if we plant it now, we got October, August, September, 60, and then a little bit into October. And we usually don't get a frost till the end of October, so we might make it. So we're going to do that in a day or two, and I'm probably going to film that because I got to redo my carrots. We're going to add some more carrots and plant that corn, plant some more beets. I'm going to start some broccoli and cabbage. Stuff like that, so we'll see. You can see behind me there, I got it all done. I actually ended up going around the pumpkin patch and everything, so even up there by the sheep. So I did a lot more than I intended to in this video, but I didn't record all that. So anyway, but anyway, we got this mowed, and I'm gonna let it sit for a little while and till it, and then greens in there. So I think I'll some water in the mum, so we're gonna hopefully go get some tacos. Hope you enjoyed the video. I don't know if I like my new hat or not, so it does catch wind and kind of keeps you cool a little bit, but I don't know exactly. So we'll see. I'll wear it a little bit longer. We'll see. If it don't, I'll go back to my old ball cap. I appreciate you watching. Give us a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. I don't think we'll be at the farmer's market this Saturday, but we'll be at the next. The farm stand will be open this Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So you're watching this on Wednesday. The next Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, the farm stand will be open. And we'll probably be back at the farmer's market August 16th. And hopefully 1st September now we'll start having a lot more stuff. So hopefully I have a few watermelons. I had one that looked like it was going, one of those seedless ones that turned yellow like it, the vine had died on it. It wasn't very big. Cut it this morning and ate it. It's actually pretty good. It's seedless, so I'll pick a good one out. We'll do that, and I'll show you a little how it looks and how it tastes to us. So we'll let them go maybe another week because I won't take them to the farmer's market 16th if I can. All right, here we go. I'm rambling. Yes, thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. Support your local farmer. Appreciate you watching. See you down here at the farm next video.